Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to close apps on your MacBook Air and Pro. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to your keyboard and press Escape, Option, and Command at the same time on your keyboard. Okay, do that and this will open up this, okay, force quit applications. Now here you can select the different applications you want to force close and then just click on force quit. Or what you can do is go to your keyboard and press A and Command at the same time. You hold it at the same time, it'll go ahead and select all the applications for you. Okay, and then you can just click here on force quit. Right, go ahead and do that. Click here and you'll see this pop up. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to do this. Just click here on force quit. Remember, you'll lose any unsaved changes. Go ahead and do that. As you can see, all of those apps have been closed. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.